Now the top story we're covering for you at this hour coming from Jammu and Kashmir's Kathua, where a cloud burst has hit the area. It has claimed 4 lives unfortunately, and we're given to understand that relief and rescue operations are still underway at the site. Now remember, this cloud burst that has hit Kathua has impacted several areas in fact, including Jor Valley, Chander Bhed Balor, Bangra Janglot and also Dilwan Hatli Lakhanpur. We're given to understand it has caused massive destruction at the site. Police, SDRF, they've all been rushed to the spot. Relief and rescue operations are still underway. But continuous rainfall, in fact, is still hampering those efforts. Unfortunately, 4 have been killed. And this happened after a cloud burst struck Jor Ghati village of Rajbagh. And this incident took place during the intervening night of Saturday and Sunday. Now viewers, we also given to understand that National Highway, that's NH 44, which passes through Kathua, has also been impacted due to the flooding. Now in this case, the district administration has also issued a weather advisory. They've said heavy to very heavy rainfall could be reported across the district, which means the situation will still remain very critical as of now. And this, very heavy to very heavy rainfall could also hamper the rescue efforts. The public has also been requested to stay away from water bodies in the region. Remember, they have been flowing near the very danger mark. And due to the heavy rainfall, the level of water has been rising in these water bodies. Now we're given to understand the death toll due to this cloud burst that hit Kathua currently stands at 4. 6 others have been safely rescued. And remember, this comes just days after a similar incident took place in Kishtwar. That incident claimed about 60 lives in fact, and rescue operations are still underway at that site. Clearly a very critical situation at this point in Kathua. Now let me also walk you through the details of the areas which have been impacted due to this cloud burst. It includes Jor Valley, Chander Bhed, Balor, Bangra, Janglot and also Dilwan Hatli Lakhanpur. These are the areas that have been impacted. We're getting you visuals from Kathua. Remember, the weather department has said that very heavy to heavy rainfall could continue across the district, which means that situation will remain critical. And this cloud burst also comes amid heavy rainfall. It hit the Jor village of Rajbagh. Now, as of now, SDRF, police, they've all been rushed to the spot. They're continuing the rescue operations. But this cloud burst essentially cut off the remote village, which of course is hampering the rescue efforts now. Now these are just the initial reports we're getting in fact, on Kathua cloud burst. Unfortunately, 4 lives. We've lost 4 lives in this incident. Getting you visuals from 2 of the areas which have been impacted in the recent cloud bursts that were witnessed in Jammu and Kashmir. The one is from Kishtwar and the another one is from Kathua, which witnessed a cloud burst today in fact. That is fury of monsoons on display across Jammu and Kashmir. Devastating visuals, and these incidents have caused massive destruction to both life and property. Around 60 lives have been lost in the Kishtwar cloud burst, where the rescue operations are still continuing. Meanwhile, in Kathua, we've lost about 4 lives. And again, rescue operations are still underway in Kathua as well. Visuals on your screen from Jammu and Kashmir. For viewers who are just joining us, let me brief you about the top story we're covering at this point for our viewers. It is coming in from Jammu and Kashmir. Very unfortunate incident of cloud burst hitting a village in the Kathua district. Blast in Kathua just comes days after this tragedy hit Kishtwar as well. In Kishtwar, the death toll currently stands at about 60 and rescue operations are still underway. And the region is still reeling from the impact of that cloudburst, and now cloudburst also hitting Kathua. And the weather department has said that heavy to very heavy rainfall could continue across the district, which means the situation will remain critical. Remember, in this case, damage has been reported to several houses as well. At least 4 have been killed and 6 injured. We're also getting to understand that a major highway, that's NH44, has been impacted due to this cloudburst. Rescue teams, they've reached the spot. They've safely rescued about 6 people, but relief operations are still underway at the site. Now, to give you more details, landslides also hit Bagar and Chandla villages, which also come under the jurisdiction of Kathua police station. But in those cases, no major report of damage has come out. But clearly a very unfortunate incident coming to light from Jammu and Kashmir, which has been hit by a series of disasters in recent weeks. Earlier, we witnessed a cloudburst hitting Kishtwar, which has claimed 60 lives, and rescue operations are still underway. And now we're getting some unfortunate news from Kathua as well. In fact, as of now, heavy rains have led to sharp increase in water levels in different water bodies, specifically with river Uj flowing near the danger mark. The administration has requested people to stay away from water bodies. So this is an advisory for our viewers as well who are joining us from that region. Please do stay away from water bodies. We're also getting some reactions on this development. On your screen is a social media post posted by Jitendra Sharma, Dr. Jitendra Sharma. He's giving you the latest update on the situation. We're getting you visuals from Jammu and Kashmir's Kathua right now, where a cloudburst has claimed 4 lives. At least 6 have been injured. Rescue operations are still underway at the site, but according to weather department, we're getting to understand that the situation will remain critical as heavy to very heavy rainfall is expected in the area.
हमारा फोटो ले लो ना इसमें ये गया ये अपने सिर्फ
Reactions coming in. There's a reaction coming in from the Union Minister, Dr. Jitendra Sharma, who is now condoled. Jitendra Singh, who's now condoled all those people who've lost lives in these tragic incidents. Remember, at least 4 lives have been lost. He's also assured that civil administration, military, they're all working to assure that the situation comes under control. Now, according to the tweet, we're given to understand that he's spoken to SSP Kathua and He's also condoled the deaths that have now been reported, and he said that at this point, civil administration, military, paramilitary, they've all swung into action, and the situation is being closely monitored by the administration as well. But that's the latest we're getting in on this cloud burst that has now hit Katwa district. It has cut off access to the village. It has claimed 4 lives. Rescue operations are still underway at the site. NH44 has also been impacted due to this cloud burst. And in fact, this is not the first of its kind. We've also witnessed a similar incident taking place in Kishtwar earlier, which claimed over 60 lives.